Hello? Hey, there's that dude in room 305. His radio's real loud right now. And he woke me up. I'm trying to sleep. So room 305, he always has loud music. And I call the police on them and they just come out here and they don't do anything. So I don't know if you guys are aware about 305, but the music's always loud at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's why I'm down here right now like this. I just woke up because he's under us, so we can hear him from, you know what I'm saying, upstairs, you know? Yeah, room 305. Okay. For the 18th time, I told, stop making noise. You see right here, it's 2 o'clock a.m. in the morning. It's a-hole in room 305 making noise again. It's August 20th, 2026, Thursday, 2:13 a.m. Thank you for watching.